How to fix Origin fails to install with error code 20:2 on Windows. 1. Run the Origin installer as an administrator. 2. Make sure you have enough free disk space. 3. Install Origin in safe mode with networking. 4. Disable your firewall or antivirus. 5. Clear Origin's cache from the previous installation at %appdata%. 6. Install through non-Thing Client Origin Installer. 7. Remove conflicting VPN software using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide.